show that the given differential equation is homogeneous and solve it. If you observe over here, it would be smart for us to take this into consideration, right? This is just variable. It's no different than what you guys have been doing now. So what I'm trying to tell is we'll re-express all of this as dx by dy, right? So let me do that. So I'll keep dx on the left hand side itself. Again, while writing the question, I would prefer to rewrite it so that it's convenient for us to solve. 1 minus x by y dy. So I'm going to do two things. One is multiply this negative over here, so that would be x by y minus 1, and transpose it as well. No, we're going to transpose this actually, dx by dy. So I'm transposing this expression and this expression, and this is e to the power of x by y, and I'm handling the negative, so x by y minus 1, okay, because of this negative, right? Now it's almost convenient. It's not that difficult. Oh sorry, I forgot the other expression, divided with 1 plus e to the power of x by y. Okay, so we need to check. Right, homogeneity of equation by substituting x is equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y. So dx by dy will not change, and this is e to the power of lambda x by lambda y, and we have this to be lambda x by lambda y minus 1 divided with 1 plus e to the power of lambda x by lambda y. So clearly things will get cancelled. So this implies the equation is homogeneous. Okay, next is what? Next is we're going to substitute, this is where it will vary, v as x by y, and so x is equal to v into y, and now we need to differentiate with respect to y, and so this would be dx by dy is equal to dv by dy into y plus v into 1. That's the difference. Just change in variable, don't get confused. So that's our expression, is it not? So we can write dv by dy into y plus v is equal to e to the power of v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e to the power of v. A bit of rearranging and we are almost there. So next step is rearranging. So okay, so I need to transpose all of this, and dy by dx goes over there. Before that I need to handle v over here. So dv by dy into y is equal to e to the power of v. I'm going to use distributive property and spread this out, and we have minus v minus e to the power of v into v divided by 1 plus e to the power of v. So this and this will get cancelled, and we have this. Okay, I think I didn't do any silly mistake. No, it's right. And now we can rearrange and stuff. So we have dv into 1 plus e to the power of v, and in the denominator there's a negative of, so I can overall write negative over there, v plus e to the power of v is equal to dy by y. So if I differentiate this, I'll get this. So if I use substitution method, this will be t and this entire expression will be dt. So I'm not going to do that. If I take this as t, this entire expression will be dt, and the negative one will not get affected. So basically this would be minus of log of v plus e to the power of v is equal to log of y. Oh, sorry. I need to substitute, integrate. I need to write a statement, is it not? Integrate both sides. We're almost there. So minus of dv into 1 plus e to the power of v by v plus e to the power of v. Again, this is very convenient. dy by y. I can transpose the negative one that side actually, or actually it's not a big deal. Minus of log of v plus e to the power of v is equal to log of y plus some constant c. Okay, and we can rearrange this. Okay, so we have log of 1 by v plus e to the power of v. I'm using the negative. Okay guys, and this is log of y into c, right? So making use of the negative sign, and so this becomes inverse. So this is to do with this particular property. Okay, so here n is minus 1, so x to the power of minus 1 is 1 by x. X to the power of minus 1 is 1 by x, and so we have this particular expression. So if I take the, how do I put it across? Taking exponents. Taking exponents, and we have 1 by v plus e to the power of v is equal to y into c. And finally, we can write this as substituting v is equal to x by y, and so this would be 1 is equal to y into c into x by y plus e to the power of x by y. Again, how do you express the final answer is left to you guys. You want to multiply this and write this constant as, all in all, if you transpose this constant, so this can be capital C, and if I multiply this, it would be something of this form. Again, how do you write it? It's left to you guys. The teachers will be happy that you got till here. Okay, so yeah, you can pause and have a look now.